Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get into a public Discord server. First, open Discord and look for the compass icon on the left sidebar. This is the Explore Public Servers section. Here, you can browse various communities. Use the search bar to find servers based on your interests, like specific games, hobbies, or topics. You'll see a wide range of options available to join. Once you've found a server that looks interesting, simply click on its icon. You'll then see a Join Server button. After clicking, you might be prompted to read and accept the server's rules. It's important to review these to ensure a good experience for everyone. Some servers may also require a quick verification step, like solving a CAPTCHA, to prevent bots. After joining, take a moment to explore the different channels. Each channel usually has a specific topic, so read their descriptions to understand where to post. Many servers have a welcome or introductions channel where you can say hello to the community. Remember to always follow the server's rules and be respectful in your interactions to maintain a positive environment for all members. To have the best experience, engage respectfully with other members and contribute positively to discussions. Always use the appropriate channels for your conversations to keep things organized. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for a link to these containers, as well as other great deals and resources mentioned in this video.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.